For the prone shoulder flexion, we're setting up on the floor, keeping our head nicely tucked and maintaining a straight line again from the shoulder, hip to the ankle. As we pull the bar overhead, we're thinking first about a little shrug to push the bar up the floor, and then we're squeezing the shoulder blades together. As the bar comes overhead, we want to see the fists mostly level. A little bit of a shift is going to be okay, and we're looking to keep a nice straight line again from the shoulder all the way to the wrist at the top of the movement. Hold the top position for a second and slowly lower.
The priority in this exercise is to ensure that we don't lean back. This is why we have the bench here. The cue is to keep pressing the stomach into the bench, keeping the shoulder, hip and knee stacked throughout. As we work through the different angles here, we can see we're working to keep our arms nice and straight. There's no shifting from side to side, and I'm most definitely not coming off the bench. As we pull the dumbbells up overhead, the muscles we're using here are in the upper back and shoulders. Think about making yourself as stiff as a board and then pulling firmly back through the upper back to raise those dumbbells overhead. A little shrug at the top will be a big help.